Welcome to this video. We're installing a Office Professional Plus 2021 retail DVD on Windows 11. It's actually this product here that we're going to install. I have the DVD right here connected to my laptop. I'm going to insert it and I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step installation instructions. This is what you get in the box: a key card, and there's a product key that needs to be entered at the end for activation. So depending on your system, sometimes you have auto start. You can just go to the DVD drive and you can run setup. And then we're going to go step by step through this process. Since this is a external DVD connected to a USB connector, and it's not the newest, so it's not as fast that you could expect. You say yes here. You want to allow this app to make changes. Yes. Okay, you can now offline or shut down. It says it's finished. So let's do closed, and I will take the DVD out. And now to activate, normally you just open any application and you enter the product key. Click accept. Then go to account, and here you see product activated. That's the most important part, that you see product activated. This is orange and you typed in your license correctly and it's still orange. You can always contact Office Software to activate your product. Okay, that's it. Very easy, very quick, straightforward, no complications whatsoever. Thank you for watching.